My name is Mike Darley. I just got back from Prague recently, playing for Team America, and it was kind of like a college select team, and we played against different countries, national teams, and some other teams from the United States. Tournament was fun. We ended up winning it all. We beat the Czech Republic national team in the championship. Basically, we came from behind twice, I guess, but it was a good time over there. Played some good baseball and had a lot of fun visiting, seeing different things in Prague, and learning kind of their lifestyle over there and seeing how it was different compared to the U.S.